Today I'm going to show you how I do my recipe for shish kebabs. And ingredients wise, well, we've got some Ras El Hanout. This is a Moroccan spice, kind of warms your mouth beautifully. Ground coriander, colouring, sunshine colours, grated coconut, fennel seeds, some cumin seeds and some coriander seeds, and we're going to toast those. Essentially we're going to make a marinade. Pork tenderloin, some peanut butter, some date syrup, some squirty garlic, Maggi liquid seasoning for a little bit of an underpinning meaty flavour, even though it's a vegetarian liquid, olive oil, pineapple, sweet potato, red onion, and then some mixed Mediterranean peppers. Let me go and show you how that's done. Follow. So let's get the marinade on the go. We've got some Ras El Hanout, some coconut, desiccated coconut, some ground coriander. So let's get these toasted. There's the fennel, cumin and the coriander. Into a hot pan. We just let those toast off till they're brown and smoking and they'll be ready. Seeds that we ground, the cumin, the fennel and the coriander. Some maple syrup, some Maggi's. So I've got all of those ingredients in there now, and this is personal choice now as to how hot and spicy or hot and sweet you like things. So once this is mixed up with a little hot water in it, you should taste it and add more of whatever you think you need. Nice big chunky pieces. They're in a bowl with a little bit of water and just go in the microwave 3 to 4 minutes. So there they all are, all skewered up and ready for the barbecue. Follow me. So it's really important you have one of these so you can get underneath anything that's sticking. So before you turn them, use a little bit of spray light on the tops, and then when you turn them over they'll have a nice bit of oil on them. And don't make the mistake of picking these skewers up with your fingers. Use something that you can turn them with that won't let you get burnt.